What's going on, guys? It's Payton Fisher, and we are out at Molly's home. This is the 2022 Parade of Homes here in southern Utah. This home is located at 1952 West Cedar Breaks Drive here in Hurricane, Utah. It's 3,328 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's on 2 floors, and it has a 3-car garage. Let me turn you on and get you inside. This is one of the coolest aesthetic builds, I think, from the outside. We were inside of a cul-de-sac here. Lots of nail guns going on. Really cool planter boxes coming up. All right, so right off to the left-hand side.
Well, we were keeping them for the seniors. How many people need soccer? We can do that.
They changed up the way they did it a couple years ago, and they're just doing socks now just to conserve.
Actually, let's go upstairs. Excuse me. Really cool floating stairs. So turn around to see, that is a really cool light fixture. Really, really cool. So we turn, we pop up the stairs here. Excuse me. All right, so we turn to the right here. We've got this first room. Oh, I love how white this is. It allows so much light in here. Super awesome. A roof view there.
Bats and balls and everything there.
Alright, so we'll come off. It looks like this is like a little entertainment room, family room. Got the big TV on the wall here. And it looks like there's a big balcony out here. And these doors slide all the way open, which is really nice here. Oh, cool. Monster deck upstairs. I believe this is right over top of the RV garage. So you can get a view of what it looks like up here. You could sit out here and do some stargazing. This is an awesome area up here. It looks like it's even got a staircase, spiral staircase going down. That's cool. We'll check that out. Wow. This is pretty epic pool back here. Huge backyard. Oh, big sports court. We'll definitely go check that out. Alright, so we've got another bathroom off to the left here. Whoa, it looks like someone hand drew on that wallpaper. Super cool. The only thing is I see a towel there, but that's going to be your shower nook or for your shampoo and stuff. Decent size room, big closet for this room. A cool fan. Fun fixtures in this house. I do have to point out they have can lights in these rooms, which makes it so nice. Really pretty view. That's Molly's Nipple right up there, if you're not familiar with southern Utah. All right. Oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry, excuse me. All right, another bathroom up here. It looks like this is the Jack and Jill bathroom. Fun lights. I really like this tile. It's really dark and then really light walls. It's like a bright white. Really nice texture. We've seen tons of texture throughout all the bathrooms in the tile. One more bedroom up here. Decent size walk-in closet here too.
Relatives that up on the snowflake and see. Sell because. Yeah.
That's a cute baby.
Oh, thank you.
Excuse me.
How's it looking up there?
Beautiful.
Nice.
Cool area. Instead of blocking that in, it gives it a lot more room in here. You're just not being able to use that as a storage. I'm guessing this is going to be the master, but we're about to find out. Nice king size bed. Yep, I'm going to guess this is the master. You got the big tub here. Okay, we come in, full glass shower. Double vanity here. Very retro light fixtures. Pretty cool though. All right, we've got bathroom, and then it looks like we've got his and hers sides for the closets here. And then a cool fixture there. I'm gonna turn around here. Go out to the living room. Cool fireplace. Player piano. Out to the patio. Doesn't look like we can head out to the back here, so we'll just give you this right here. Super cool sports court out there. That is awesome. Big double fridge in here. These black cabinets are super contrast to the countertops, which looks really, really cool. Looks like we've got a little preparing room in here, pantry. Back here. Oh, sorry. I thought that was gonna turn. So we've got a little pantry. It's like a little extra butler room here, kind of. Clear stuff out. Another convection oven. Let's go all the way to the ceiling. Make it feel really tall in here. These tiles on this floor are huge. They're probably 24 by 36. Huge tiles. Got a black toilet here with black vanity. That mirror goes all the way to the floor. They installed that right behind it. Big washer and dryer. Oh, they're all stacked washer and dryer. Only thing I could see different in here would be putting some bright lights in here so you can really see. Right, and then in this garage, we've got the speckled floors. We've got the 2-car on this side. And then we've got the single on this side. So here's the utilities here. They just got the on-demand hot water heater. Make it a little easier there. Now, I mean, you could put some shelves over to cover that, so then you just can't even see it anymore, which would be nice. Oh, we can go out in the back. Hallelujah. I didn't think we were going to get to. This is super cool. Really nice patio. And got the fun pickleball court back here. This is done really, really nice. Still waiting for someone to challenge me in pickleball. Ready to go anytime you are. That said, what did you like about this home? What did you not like about this home? This home is absolutely beautiful and will sell very quickly if it's not already under contract. That said, check us out over. We're going to go over to, I believe, American Heritage Homes on theirs right next door, and we'll see you in just a minute.